Hi, this is my video, The Family. My mother. She is a working woman, lovely and gay. She is a dedicated housewife. She has two daughters, Nate and Katia, and Lina and me. She is medium height, thin. She has short black hair and black eyes. She is also brunette. My sister, my sister Katia Esquivel Hoyos. She is 29 years old. She is dedicated to her home and they take care of her three children, Gerson, Jainer, and Shaira. She loves going to the church and share time with her family. My sister Lina Ortega Diaz. She is 26 years old. She is mother of two children and their names are Santiago and Nicole. She is working and seller. She is 20 medium height. She has little black eyes, black and black hair. She is lovely with her family and friends. My couple Juan Camilo Sierra. He is 24 years old. He has white skin, black and short hair. She is tall and thin. He works in Metro and he is lovely and kind. My baby. Even this in my womb, twin only 2 months. Unique, I felt an incomparable love. It is a unique experience to know that every day grows more is one more reason to fight and hate. Sample the grace blessing God has given me. Thank you. Bye bye.